All right, we're gonna make a lavender latte, one of the best ones you'll ever taste, using the Monin lavender syrup. I really like this syrup, and we're using almond milk. We get the unsweet because the original flavor is too sweet. It's got sugars in it, so we go with the unsweetened. We can get it, you know, hot enough without scorching the sugars that are already in there. I feel like that's why you see a lot of burnt tasting almond milk, and it gives an off flavor. This actually, if you get the right temp, not too hot, it actually gives kind of a marshmallowy flavor. So we like the silk unsweet. This is the best that we've found out of everything that we've tried, and we've tried natural, you know, all these other varieties of almond milks and stuff, and this is just the best one that we like. And again, best lavender syrup we've also tried here. Got our almond milk all ready to go. We got a venti of ice here, and we got our Chiato grinder and a Profitec espresso machine. So I have this grind set. It's this bean is called Twitch. They're out of Phoenix, Arizona, I believe. I can't remember the name of the company. I'll try to find it and put a link down below. But this bean is really good. So this is Twitch that we're using today. We found it in a local Albertsons here in Las Vegas, and so we're just going to be doing that. Like I said, I have the grind on my Chiato set to half, so 5.5, and we're at 92 degrees Celsius on the Profitec. So we're just going to go ahead. I like to start steaming the milk right at the beginning, right when I start grinding, so I can get everything done quickly. And that usually gives me enough time. And I'll go 28 seconds on the espresso. Check that, make sure it's not getting too hot. Probably getting close on this. I always just fill the outside. Once it starts to get to and everybody's fingers are different, so I don't know the exact temp, but it's starting to get a little bit warm. I just turn it right off when it gets a little bit warm, because if you go till it's hot, it starts to put an off flavor. And then we're going to go to 28, so we're good there. And we're just using this as a transfer cup here, because I can't fit this under here, obviously. So we got our espresso there. Looks really nice. And then we're going to drop in our syrup into the milk. I don't like to do this while it's steaming. Some people do that just because it might burn it. So I'm just going to swirl that around. I'm going to pour half of it on the ice, and then the espresso on top. And then the rest of the lavender milk in there. And that's it. Cheers.